I received this leg elevation pillow from Abco Sport, and it works awesome. And it's made of high density foam, and it's very comfortable to use. You can put your legs like this, or you can have your legs rest this way and over. This is also great to lie down and elevate yourself while sleeping. And you can also even use this as a lap pillow too, and put your laptop on it or a book as well. This measures 24 inches by 14 inches by 8 inches in height. And it also has a removable zipper cover right here, so you can take it and wash this cover when needed. This cover is also breathable as well. Now, I've had 4 knee surgeries, so this is ideal for me to put my legs up and relax. But this is also great for varicose veins, pregnancy, post-surgery, as well as you have back pain or leg pain as well. Also great for restless leg syndrome and if you have poor circulation. And this is also very squishy, yet firm and supportive. And another plus is the cover is machine washable. All you have to do is unzip it, wash it in cold water, and you can allow it to air dry or tumble dry on low. Hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.